Hiya, I'm going to show you how to make a chatterbox. You might have seen these before. It's just made out of paper and they're quite fun little things to make, so we're going to show you how to make a chatterbox. So first you need to get a piece of paper. You can get an A4 piece of paper, but the important thing is you need it to be square. So what you need to do is fold it like that and then cut this bit off. So then you'll end up with a square piece of paper. So I'm just going to cut that off. And then you end up with a square. Okay? So then once you've got your square, you fold it in half. Then you fold it in half again. So it looks like that. Then you need to unfold it all. And then what we need to do now is get each corner and fold it into the center. Can you see what I've done? Like that. And you do it with all 4 corners. Can you see what I'm doing? I'll do the last one. So you end up with it looking like that. Okay? So then what you do is you turn it over so you've got the smooth bit facing you. And now what I'm going to do is get each corner and fold that into the middle like that. And you do all 4 corners. So we go round. Like that. And you should end up with something that looks like that. Okay? And then, if you turn it over, you see how they've got little flaps? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half, like that. Then again the other way, like that. And then what you need to do is sort of get your finger underneath these flaps, your finger and your thumb, like that, both sides, and kind of just give it a little bit of a squidge it together like that, and there you have your chatterbox. So it's like a little mouth, you see? It's a bit faffy, that bit, but if you fold it right, it should do it. And then this is the good bit where you can decorate it. So the one I did earlier, I put a little face on it. Can you see that? So all you're doing is folding it flat like that, and I've drawn 2 eyes, and then I've done a mouth. And sometimes it's easier to draw it on when it's together like that. Okay? And then what I've done is I've put some numbers on each corner. So when you play your game, you go over to your friend and you say, right, pick a number. So say, for example, they pick number 3. So then you go 1, 2, 3. And inside I've put lots of colours. You see that? There. Put all the different colours. So on my game, say for example the person picks pink. So as I'm doing it, I'd spell out the word pink. So I'd go P-I-N-K. And then they'd choose another colour. So say for example they choose blue. So then I'd spell out blue. B-L-O-E. And then you choose another colour. Say they choose green. And then what I've done underneath each one is I've written little things that you have to do when you pick your colour. So on green, for example, it says, say your name 10 times as fast as you can. So it's just a little bit of fun. On that one I've got do a roly-poly. That one I've got Make a Wish. That one I've got Spell Your Name Backwards. Sing a Song. Pull a Funny Face. And you can go on and on and on all the way around. And you can think of whatever you like. You can tell a joke, or I don't know, do star jumps, whatever you want. And you don't have to do colours inside. You could do numbers, and anything you want. It's totally up to you. You don't have to put a face on. You could just do fancy patterns if you want. So it's just a little bit of fun that you can do while you're at home out of paper. Hope you enjoyed that.